Hi, this is Rita. Welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to add a video link. For example, the YouTube video link in your website, how to add it. Sometimes it doesn't work. It doesn't show the video. So what you have to do, I'm going to tell you a different method. So let's start. First, you have to log into your dashboard and go on that page where you want to add the video. For example, I want to add the video in this my cupcake blog. So what you have to do, go on that page and click on edit post or edit site. If you want to add in first page, edit site, otherwise do it edit page or edit post. For example, I want to add the link of my YouTube video or any video over here. So how you can do that? Simply go to the your channel or on that video. For example, I want to add the link of that video. What I do first, okay, so first I do like I go on share and copy the link. First I do first method, obviously commonly used. So what I have to do, I just copy it and go on that page where I want to add. So I want to add the video over here. So what I did, I click on paragraph and just control V8. Okay, as I control V8, you can see the video is shown here. Sometimes it doesn't work. It appears like the video can't be embedded, can't be played, and the only the link show, the video doesn't show. So what you have to do for the second method, this is first method. I'm gonna show you how to you can do that. Just view the post and have a look. The video is shown on here. For example, you can see the video is shown here, but there is also second method. If your video is not shown here due to some reason, what you have to do, go on your data and what the second method is, just go on your that video you want to add. For example, I want to add that video, so same method, click on share, just copy it and go on that page where you want to add, just click on plus and right here embed it, and as you write embed, it's come and just control V over here, click on embed it. As you click on embed it, the video is shown here. If your video is not shown here, it's not embed, what you have to do next is, okay, what you have to do, go on that video, same, click on share, click on embed, just copy it. Now this time what you have to do, go on that page, click on plus and search for HTML. Okay, as you search for HTML, it appear like that, and you just control V over here and click on preview. Click on preview, your video is shown here, and just click on update and let's have a preview, and you will see that, you can see that our video is shown here. So this is how it's work. You can choose the method according to your choice, according to your website or web pages. So this is how it's work. If you have it, I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any curious question, ask in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.